I'm behind South here.
13. I'm second. Guzman, can you pit or no?
Negative. You want to get in front of me to pit? I'm over right now.
Alright, move to your right.
And all these cars are right next to us.
1180, 1040 pit. He's got one tire that's down. Speed's about 50.
I think you get it. 1106, he's going to be south on Broadway from 512. South on Broadway from 512. 10-4 copy.
Somebody hit some more sticks. I'm messing with that.
643, I can't do a pit here.
At 643, I'm coming up 512.95 now.
10-4 still southbound on Broadway, coming up to Timber. Just past Louisiana. Copy.
Call for you, up here.
We're almost done at 7. Northern 129, we're going eastbound on 89th Street, approaching South Pine Street, still eastbound. Copy, eastbound 89.
I can't do a pit here. There's a canal.
Still eastbound, approaching Magnolia Ave, speeds 55.
Alright, block 130th. We're going to a dead end on 89th Street. Going westbound.
10-4, you want me to stay with you or you want me to go with you?
Come with me. I'm losing. There's too much dirt. I can't see in front of me.
10-4. Southbound from 130th, correction, eastbound from 130th and 99th Street south. I'm right behind you, Miss Hughes. Meyer, it's north 89th, north 89th. Indian River, we're going east on 89th Street.
What's your ETA? Upper 150 on 95, northbound.
Going back southbound. Back southbound.
On 3, we have words. How much? Alright, I'll take over the radio. Everybody else, just maintain.
I need stop sticks at 130. South Willow. We're coming back to you guys.
Still westbound, coming up to 130th here shortly. That unit came up on 130th, go set up to stop. Still continue westbound, coming up to 130th now. Stand by, crash in 130th.
Everybody shut off your radio, shut off your lights. I got someone in the passenger seat. Sirens. Everybody kill your sirens. All right, I'm incident commander. I got someone in the passenger seat, unknown driver's seat. We got two, one driver, one passenger. Let me get a long rifle on my side, driver's side. I need a long rifle on the right side. Keep your hands out. You hear me? Put your hands out. Put your hands out. Hands out. Leave them out. Do not move from there. Do you understand? All right, we need these sirens off, please. All sirens off. You got a long rifle? Yep. Turn the sirens off.
I got it. I'm gonna turn it off.